Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel LSM Schools. So today in this video we are going to cover the next part of exercise 10.2. This is part 2 and we are covering question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 in this video. The name of our chapter is circles and the chapter number is chapter number 10 from class 10th NCERT solution. So this video is really important because it includes the question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, which is the part of exercise 10.2. So let's start the video with the very first question of this video, that is question number 6. So question number 6 says the length of a tangent from a point A at distance 5 cm from the center of a circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of a circle. So here we have to find the radius of a circle. Let O be the center, and AB is a tangent at point B. Then AB is a tangent at point B. Given OA is equals to 5 cm, OA is 5 cm and AB is 4 cm. AB is 4 cm. We know that the radius is perpendicular to tangent. Therefore, in triangle ABO, comma OB is perpendicular to AB. OB is perpendicular to AB. In triangle ABO by Pythagoras theorem. So now here we have to put Pythagoras theorem as we have done in earlier exercises and question. Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square is equals to c square. So AB is equals to AB square is equals to BO square is equals to OA square is equals to 4 square plus BO square is equals to 5 square. 4 square is 16 plus BO square is equals to 5 square is 25. Then BO square is equals to 9. Then BO is 3. Therefore, radius of a circle is 3 centimeter. So this is the answer for question number 6. Now moving to the next question, that is question number 7. So question number 7 in this video says the concentric circles are of the radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of a chord of a larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So we have to find the length of a chord of a larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Let O be the center of a two concentric circles. So this is the center of two concentric circle with radius 5 centimeter. With the radius 5 centimeter. OP, this is OP, and 3 centimeter OA. OA is 3 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, is a chord of larger circle which is the tangent to inner circle. This is the tangent to inner circle. We know that the radius is perpendicular to tangent. Therefore, in triangle PQO, PQO, comma OA is perpendicular to PQ. OA is perpendicular to P and Q. In triangle APO by Pythagoras theorem, that is the same. A square plus B square is equals to C square, that is OA square plus AP square is equals to OP square is equals to 3 square plus AP square is equals to 5 square, that is 3 square is 9 plus AP square is equals to 5 square is 25. AP is equals to 16 and AP is equals to 4. In triangle OPQ, OA is perpendicular to PQ, OA is perpendicular to PQ, AP is equals to AQ, that is perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. The reason is perpendicular from the center bisects the chord, that's why AB is equals to AQ. So PQ is equals to 2AP is equals to 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So 2 into 4 is 8. Hence the length of a chord of a larger circle is 8 centimeters. So this is the answer for question number 7. Now moving to the next question, that is question number 8, which says a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn. ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. See figure. This is a figure. Prove that AB plus CD is equals to AD plus BC. So we have to prove that AB plus CD is equals to AD plus BC. C. We know that the tangent drawn from the same external point are equal, therefore dr is equals to ds. We all know that the tangent drawn from the same external point are equal, therefore dr is equals to ds, dr is equals to ds drawn at the point D. This is drawn at the point D. This is the tangent. This is drawn at point D. This is first. CR is equals to CQ. CR is equals to CQ because it is drawn on C. Like the same, BP is equals to BQ. AP is equals to AC. AS because it is drawn as point AAS and AP. Adding 1, 2, 3, 4, we have dr plus cr plus bp plus ap is equals to ds plus cq plus bq plus as is equals to dr plus cr is equals plus bp plus ap is equals to ds plus as plus cq plus bq. cd plus ab is equals to ad plus bc. After doing this, we have to check this. The main solution will be cd plus ab is equals to ad plus BC. So after doing this, we are coming to next question, that is question number 9, in which it says in figure xy and x comma y, in figure xy and x comma y are the two parallel tangent, a circle with center O, a circle with center O and the parallel tangent, and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy. Another contact point A B intersecting at point C xy at A and x comma y at point B. Point B x comma y. Prove that angle AOB is 90 degree. So this is the question and this is the figure. So we have to prove that angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. Join C from O in triangle OPA. In triangle OPA, radii of a circle is same. AP is equals to AC. AP is equals to AC. A and P is equals to A and C because of the tangents drawn at the point A. AO common. AO common. Triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OCA because of SSS congruency rule. Hence, triangle POA is equals to angle COA. This is first. Similarly, triangle OQB is congruent to triangle OCB. Hence, angle QOB is equals to COB. This is equation second. After doing this, this is the next part. As POQ, as PO and Q. POQ is a diameter of a circle, therefore it is a straight line. It is a straight line. Hence, angle POA plus angle COA plus angle COB plus angle COB plus angle QOB plus angle QOB is equals to 180 degree. So this sum up with 180 degree. From first and second we have 2 angle COA plus 2 angle COB is equals to 180. Angle COA plus angle COB is equals to 90. Angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. So this is a solution. Angle AOB is 90 degree. Angle COA plus COB is equals to 90 degree. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 10. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of a contact at the center. Let PA and PB are the two tangents of a circle with center O. Let PA and PB are the two tangents of a circle at point O. Join OA and OB. Join OA and OB. We know that the radius is perpendicular to tangent, therefore angle OAP is 90 degree and angle OBP is 90 degree. OBP is 90 degree in quadrilateral. OAPB angle OAP plus angle APB plus PBO plus BOA. BOA is equals to 360. The sum up of 360, that is 90 degree plus angle APB is plus 90 degree plus angle BOA is equals to 360 degree. Angle APB plus angle BOA is equal to 180 degree. Hence it is proved that the angle between two tangents drawn from the external point, it is proved that the angle of between two tangents drawn from external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. So hence it is proved that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point, this is drawn from the external point to a circle, is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. So this is all for question number 10. And guys, if you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Agla Sim School for more NCERT solution. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. Hope you guys are safe and well.